official YouTube channel. This is Shraddha. In this channel, you'll be seeing more facts about Stiffy and Snoofy. Stiffy is a German Shepherd dog and Snoofy is a Golden Retriever dog. So the full form of GSD is German Shepherd dog. As usual, you people know Stiffy is a German Shepherd dog. So in this video, you will see the food difference about Stiffy and her puppies. So let's get into the... For puppies food, I would like to prefer a 90 pumpkin starter. Hope that it is visible on the screen. This is also in your budget as well as it keeps puppy healthier. Now you have to put 1 full hand of food for 1 dog. I am putting 2 full hand of food for 3 puppies. This much is enough for 3 puppies. If you put 1 full hand of food, then you are supposed to put 1 cup of water. If you put 2 hands of food, then you are supposed to put 2 cups of water. For adult dog, you are supposed to put Smart Heart food. This is also in budget and is healthy for a dog. This looks like this. This you are not supposed to give for small dogs because it's not beneficial for them. You are supposed to give this food only for adults. Now we are supposed to do same as how you did for small dogs. You have to take 1 full hand of food and 1 full hand of water. After preparing the food, you have to keep 10 minutes aside. For small dog food, the food is black in color and they are in circle and are black. For adult, they are in heart shape with 3 colors, that is brown, orange and green. Now to check whether it is done or no, you have to take a piece of it and press. If it is smooth, then the food is done. If it is not yet smooth, then the food is not yet done. Got to know what food to put for adult and for puppy. So please don't forget to throw a thumbs up for this video, share to your family members, friends and etc. And who all are pet lovers, please throw a thumbs up. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please keep the subscription like this. So let me meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.